The ocean is like another world, mysterious, unexplored, and full of life that feels more alien than familiar. But among all the creatures living beneath the waves, one stands out as if it came from another planet entirely: the octopus. With 8 flexible arms, a brain that doesn't work like ours, skin that changes color like a living display screen, blue blood running through its veins, and a life so short yet incredibly intense, octopuses are one of evolution's strangest experiments. In this video, we'll explore 5 unbelievable facts that reveal just how extraordinary these animals truly are. And by the end, you might find yourself questioning whether we're alone in the universe, because sometimes aliens aren't in space, they're in the sea. We humans think with one centralized brain. It's the control room for everything we do, but an octopus functions very differently. It technically has one main brain, a donut-shaped structure wrapped around its esophagus, but that's only one part of the story. 2/3 of its neurons aren't in its head at all. They're inside its arms. Yes, each arm can taste, react, explore, and even solve simple tasks independently. If a tentacle is separated from the body, it can still move, respond to food, and attempt to feed, as if each arm has a mind of its own. Think of it like this: instead of one powerful computer, an octopus is a network of 8 mini-computers that communicate and cooperate. Information flows sideways, not just from head to body. This distributed intelligence allows octopuses to squeeze through tiny openings, manipulate tools underwater, and react faster than most animals. Some scientists believe this form of intelligence evolved completely independently from ours, meaning their mind could be the closest thing to alien consciousness we've ever encountered. Our blood is red because iron carries oxygen through our bodies. An octopus, however, uses copper instead, specifically a molecule called hemocyanin, which gives their blood a blue color. Why copper? Because copper-based blood works far better in low temperatures and low oxygen environments, like the deep ocean where sunlight barely reaches and oxygen levels drop to extremes. In other words, blue blood isn't a quirk, it's a survival upgrade. But this adaptation comes with a cost. Copper is less efficient in warm water, making octopuses far more sensitive to heat and climate change. As oceans warm, some species struggle to survive. Their biology wasn't built for a warming planet, so while their blue blood is incredible, it also makes them vulnerable. If you've ever seen footage of an octopus disappearing into a rock, you know it feels like magic. But it isn't magic, it's biology at its most advanced. Their skin contains 3 types of cells working like a high-tech screen: chromatophores, colored pigment sacs that expand or contract instantly; iridophores, reflectors that shimmer like metal or pearl; leucophores, base layers that scatter light and match brightness around them. Together, these let the octopus mimic color, texture, and even light reflection of sand, coral, rocks, seaweed, you name it. Some species imitate poisonous fish, spiky urchins, even venomous sea snakes. Others flatten their bodies, ripple their skin, and vanish into the environment so perfectly that predators swim past without realizing anything was there at all. To put it simply, they're living shapeshifters. With camouflage technology, nature spent millions of years perfecting, something human science is still trying to replicate. If intelligence was measured by creativity and problem-solving rather than language, octopuses might rank above many mammals. In labs, they solve complex puzzles, memorize patterns, escape mazes, unscrew jar lids from inside, and even learn by observing others. They don't just react, they think. In the wild, some octopuses collect coconut shells and carry them as armor, assembling them like portable shelters. Few animals on Earth are confirmed tool users. Octopuses are one of them. In aquariums, keepers deal with escape artists. They open tank lids, crawl through pipes, turn off lights by squirting water, sneak into nearby tanks, steal food, and return without being caught. Not out of hunger, but curiosity. They're mischievous, they explore, they get bored, and boredom itself is a sign of intelligence. Some researchers believe octopuses might even dream, changing colors while they sleep as if replaying memories. With all this intelligence, you might imagine octopuses living for decades. But nature wrote a different story. Most octopus species live just 1 to 3 years. After mating, the male dies shortly after. The female guards her eggs without eating, sometimes for months, until she weakens and dies soon after they hatch. She gives everything for her offspring. A brilliant mind with a brief existence, a candle that burns bright, then disappears. Their life is fast, intense, full of learning and adaptation, and then it's over. But maybe that's what makes them so fascinating. They shine brightly for a moment in time and leave us with mysteries we're still trying to understand. The octopus is a creature shaped by evolution into something that feels almost impossible. A brain in 8 pieces, blue blood, camouflage beyond human technology, problem-solving abilities rivaling mammals, and a dramatic, bittersweet life cycle. They are proof that intelligence doesn't need a backbone, that consciousness can evolve in ways completely different from ours, and that sometimes the strangest alien we could ever meet is already here on Earth. If you want more animal mysteries, deep-sea wonders, and mind-bending science, make sure to subscribe because we're just getting started.